Hey guys, Mike Vasile here, and in this video we're talking about how to make money on Etsy and how beginners are earning $100 to $700 a day. More with that after the intro. Hey guys, how's it going? Mike Vasile here. Welcome to this video. Before we actually begin, I remind you that several spots have opened up for this week's free workshop, where it's literally the fastest and easiest way to make money online. Sign up for it in the link below. We literally have a 62-year-old woman go from 0 to 160 grand profit in 90 days, so sign up for it now. All right guys, so the first way to make money with Etsy is strictly by just listing products that you know are gonna sell on Etsy. One of the things that I like doing is understanding if I go and search on Etsy, what you guys understand that Etsy is like a search engine. So same way how you're like YouTubing stuff or Googling stuff, everyone has a problem that they want to get solved. And same way how they Google stuff online, they also want to Google things on Etsy that they want to buy. For example, if my mom wanted to, get some candles for her living room, she would literally go to Etsy and type in candles, and what you see is all of these things pop up. Now what does this actually mean? This means that there are literally people every single day that are searching on Etsy, and if you could just understand what the title is, then you could allow yourself to find out what to source in the product. So we could actually just do candles in jars. Now when we see it, we gotta identify, okay, which one of these actually is making the most money, right? Because the thing about Etsy and just like online business in general is you never want to reinvent the wheel. You want to find what's exactly working and you want to model it from there. For example, the number one listing right now that is ranking on Etsy for just one candle is $20, and it is just a simple candle in a jar, and all it says is like warm and cozy. And when we click on it, we see that these are all the keywords that they are essentially ranking for right now. So literally the reason why she titled this all of these crazy words is because this is what people are searching for on Etsy. So people are typing in, for example, winter scented candle, right? People are also typing in Christmas candle, right? These are what people are searching for. So this person knows it, and they include this title in the name of their product. So before you even think about creating a product yourself or drop shipping a product and selling someone else's product that you don't have to create yourself on Etsy, which we're gonna go more about that later on, you need to understand what titles can you go ahead and create. Another thing that you also need to understand is what images are doing the best. Because when it comes to selling on Etsy, only two things matter: your title and your image. And if you don't master that and you don't understand why these images are doing the best, then you are gonna have a hard time. For example, when I'm seeing this, I'm thinking, okay, well, the reason why these are doing really well, because it's really close-up images of a specific product, right? And not only that, some of these have like very clean backgrounds, and this one has a nice brick layer background. So for me, I'm asking myself, okay, if I want to increase my chances of making money with candles on Etsy, I need to go and make sure that the background has to resemble something similar. I need to make sure that the product photography looks very, very similar. And once I have an idea of what image I could go ahead and create and what title I should go ahead and name it, that's when I could go to the second step of making money with Etsy, and that's sourcing the product. A good place that you could go ahead and source them is the Dollar Tree. Now the reason because of this is you could see, you have like candles that are literally very, very cheap, and you could see that this kind of gives like an Etsy vibe, right? And a lot of these are $1. All you really need to do is just maybe like order a couple of these, make it a little bit pretty, send it over to Etsy. And remember, the name of the game is branding and making it look pretty with some type of background. Now, a cool thing that you could literally do to outsource the work is if you go to Fiverr.com and type in Etsy photography, there are literally people that will do this entire thing for you for pretty good prices. Like you can see this one's only 20 bucks, this one's 20 bucks, this one's 15 bucks, and they will give you like a high quality Etsy style product. All you really need to do is just send some of these products that you got literally from the Dollar Tree over to them and have them make it all pretty and whatnot. And all of your time should literally be spent on asking yourself literally, what title should I create this? What images do I need to go ahead and make this happen? You see that they like the minimal, sleek. Here's an image with a human being, so they see kind of like the size of the candle in like a stylish outfit and whatnot. This is the first way to make money with Etsy. The second way you can make money with Etsy is by using Etsy as a supplier. So back in the day when I went 0 to 1.5 million in e-commerce with like my business, it was like 30% profit margins or so. The coolest thing about this is I never sold my own products. How it essentially worked when I created a Shopify store, which is a place that I could create my own e-commerce store literally within like 5 minutes, and it's like super affordable for anyone, is I would literally have a store, right? And on the store, I would literally put images and pictures of products that I did not own. I would literally take it from the supplier. So in this case, I would literally go up to here, save this image, and put it on my own Shopify store as if it was my own product. Now the thing about this is because it's my own store, I could price match it, I could go higher, I could charge as much as I actually want for this. For in this case, say this product is 20 bucks, I would literally list it on my website for $30 or $40, okay? Now once a customer buys this product on my store for $30, $40, I will take this person's money, this customer's money, and then buy it from the supplier for cheaper. So I would literally take their money and then buy it from the supplier for 20 bucks, and the supplier would then ship it to my customer. Now this supplier in this case is literally Etsy, okay? And the beauty about this is when you start doing this really, really well and you start making sales for some of these Etsy sellers, you could actually cut Etsy out and work with each one of these individually. Because what you see here is like this, for example, Wildflower by Anna, Jumel's Candle Co., The Dancing Wick. All of these people are just maybe single like mom and pop shops that don't know how to scale a business, don't know how to do much marketing other than on Etsy. And these people have the entire business, the infrastructure, the shipping, the handling, the returns. They're dealing with all of that stuff. They're focusing on making a really good product, right? All you're focusing on is on the marketing. And essentially what happens is you can literally reach out to them and say, hey, you know, I'm actually doing a lot of marketing and paid advertising and I would like to use you as a supplier. Can I do some wholesale or can I work with you off of Etsy or something like that? And the beautiful thing about this is now you have a partnership where they're gonna do all of the hard stuff of like the product creation, fulfillment, shipping and handling, returns. You just have to go ahead and sell them on, you know, your Shopify store. One thing that I like doing when you have your own Shopify store is you could partner with influencers and give them coupon codes. So remember, with this, say I'm like profiting 10 or 20 bucks, right? I can literally go up to some of these people and I can type in best candles. And when I type that, I can find people that are talking about candles all the time. And for example, this one got 1 million views and 84,000 subscribers. I can literally partner with her and be like, hey, I literally have an e-commerce store where we sell candles. If you sell anything, I'll give you a coupon code, and if anyone goes and buys from that coupon code, I will literally give you 50% of the profit. They'll be like, oh my God, are you serious? I would love that. Those candles look very nice and pretty and whatnot, right? So essentially what these people do is they will make a video about your candle and whatnot and send it to the coupon code in the link in the description, which will allow them, of course, which is easy with like your Shopify store. When someone makes a sale, you literally go to your Etsy partner and have them fulfill the orders for you without you having to touch the product, see the product, taste the product, smell the product, do the shipping and handling and all that. Now, that is the next way to make money with Etsy. Another way to make money with Etsy is just getting commissions to recommend people to Etsy. Now, this makes it a lot simpler because now you don't even have to talk to suppliers or products or whatever. You just gotta send people to the Etsy website. So if I type in Etsy fashion, you could see all of these people talking about like very stylish things that they got on Etsy, right? What a lot of these people end up doing is saying, okay, if you guys want this thing where I literally bought this, you could go in the link in the description and order it directly from Etsy. Now what Etsy will do if you buy anything from Etsy or if you recommend somebody that buys anything in Etsy, the coolest thing about this is you will get commissions based off of the people that go ahead and buy through your special link. This is what is known as affiliate marketing, where you don't need a product, you don't need customer service, you literally don't need to do anything other than send people to Etsy, and you can make money by referring people to buy from Etsy. So another way that you could also make money with Etsy affiliate marketing is instead of recommending physical products, you could recommend digital products and allow people to learn how to sell on Etsy by, of course, recommending them to Skillshare. So one way that you could go ahead and do it is you could see that there's all of these Etsy courses on how to create like an e-commerce shop on Etsy. And as you can see, when you sign up for the Skillshare affiliate program, you could get $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So you can see exactly how this will go ahead and add up. You know, you can see how I do this, for example, with like ClickBank products, recommending people to, you know, start e-commerce stores or Shopify stores or Amazon stores or whatnot, because there's a lot of products that you could go ahead and promote on ClickBank that are courses teaching people how to do stuff. I mean, you could see all the categories from like keto, children's learning, teaching people how to make money with affiliate marketing, Ted's woodworking, you know, you have tarot card reading, you even have supplements you go to sell, people to help with men and marriages. And you can see with this method, on the past 5 days, we pulled in a good amount net. And when we pull in the past 30 days and we let it load for like a second, we pulled in about like 31K net. And the reason why we're able to do this is you literally just use YouTube again. So for example, people are learning how to start an Etsy shop, okay? The fact that I just typed this in, a lot of people are literally Googling this and YouTubing this every single day. Okay, so if you start making content about this, you will start getting seen, and when people want more information forward, you just recommend them to Skillshare. And the coolest thing about Skillshare is because they're such a popular brand, it's very easy for them to go ahead and buy. And not only that, Etsy or Skillshare cookies people. That essentially means they put like a magical piece of, code on, anyone that goes ahead and visits it. So they start running advertising to get people back to go purchase Skillshare. And if someone goes ahead and buys through their advertising, because you're the one that went ahead and referred them to Skillshare, you're the one that makes money from that. And another beautiful thing about that is when you teach videos about teaching people how to make money with Etsy, the craziest thing is you can make some crazy money from the AdSense of that too. For example, here's me just using this with my YouTube channel. You can see in the past 90 days, it was literally nothing. And because I was consistent and I started ranking for keywords, it just started going up like crazy. And you could see in the past 365 days that it's also pretty impressive as well, because it was literally nothing like 6 months ago. And if I can do it, a complete idiot who's not smart at anything, not the smartest person in the world, was able to start creating freedom for myself, to allow myself to provide for my family, hit my dreams, create more freedom for my life, and feeling more safe and secure with my finances, then why can't you? And of course, if you want to fast and easy way to make money online, check out the free workshop below, because we have a 62-year-old woman go from 0 to 160 grand profit in 90 days. Sign up for it in the workshop below, as well as check out my podcast of all these multimillionaires that literally live here in Bali that make a bunch of money online doing the weirdest things. Check it out. We have this 11-year-old girl turning down $30 million, this guy that makes $1 million per month. Amazing stories. Check it out, link below. See you guys later.